Welcome to a closer look at exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These investment vehicles have become incredibly popular, offering a unique blend of diversification and flexibility. Understanding them is a crucial step for any new investor. At its core, an ETF is a basket of various securities. Think of it as a prepackaged portfolio that you can buy and sell with ease. This basket can hold a wide array of assets, from individual company stocks to government bonds and even physical commodities. What makes an ETF distinctive is its trading mechanism. Unlike traditional mutual funds, ETFs trade on stock exchanges throughout the day, much like a single stock. This means you can buy or sell shares of an ETF at any point during market hours, at fluctuating prices. The core concept behind an ETF is simple yet powerful. It's a diversified investment you can manage dynamically. You gain exposure to multiple assets with just one transaction. This simplifies the investment process significantly for many. One of the primary benefits is the instant portfolio diversification it offers. With a single purchase, you can spread your investment across many companies or asset classes. This helps reduce the risk associated with investing in just one or two individual securities. The result is an investment product that has seen explosive growth and become incredibly popular among investors of all experience levels. ETFs have democratized access to diversified portfolios, making sophisticated strategies more accessible. ETFs are designed to track specific targets, giving investors focused exposure to various market segments. This tracking mechanism is what defines their purpose and performance. Many ETFs aim to replicate the performance of a particular market index, such as the S&P 500. This allows you to invest in hundreds of large U.S. companies simultaneously, mirroring the overall market's movement. Other ETFs focus on specific sectors of the economy, like technology, healthcare, or energy. This provides a way to invest in industries you believe will grow, without having to pick individual winning companies within that sector. You can also find ETFs that track commodities like gold, silver, or oil, or even entire national economies. Some ETFs follow particular investment strategies, like value investing or dividend growth. These funds are built around a specific philosophy, offering a curated selection of assets that fit predefined criteria. The main investor advantage here is gaining broad exposure to a wide range of assets. You no longer need to meticulously research and purchase each asset individually to build a diversified portfolio. An ETF does that heavy lifting for you. This also means you can avoid the time-consuming process of individual stock or bond research and purchase. ETFs provide a streamlined way to participate in various markets and asset classes, saving you effort and potential transaction costs. One of the most compelling reasons investors gravitate towards ETFs is their affordability. This financial efficiency directly benefits your investment returns over time. ETFs typically boast lower expense ratios compared to actively managed mutual funds. Expense ratios represent the annual fees charged for managing the fund. Lower fees mean less of your investment is eaten away by costs. This often results in more of your investment returns being retained by you, the investor. Over decades, even small differences in expense ratios can lead to significant variations in your total wealth accumulation. It's a powerful compounding effect. Another major advantage of ETFs is their liquidity. This characteristic provides flexibility and control over your investments, aligning with the dynamic nature of financial markets. ETFs trade throughout the day on exchanges, just like individual stocks. This allows you to buy or sell shares at any time during market hours, knowing the exact price you're executing your trade at. This contrasts sharply with mutual funds. This ease and quickness of buying and selling provides tremendous flexibility. You can adjust your portfolio swiftly in response to market news or changes in your personal investment strategy. This real-time trading ability is a significant perk. Mutual funds, in contrast, are bought or sold only at the end of the trading day, based on their net asset value calculated after market close. This means you don't know your exact execution price until hours after placing your order. Transparency is another cornerstone of the ETF appeal. Knowing what you own is vital for informed decision-making and risk management. Most ETFs disclose their holdings daily, providing a clear picture of the assets within the fund. This level of transparency is generally higher than that of mutual funds, which often report holdings quarterly. This allows investors to see exactly what they own, down to each individual stock or bond. You can review the underlying components and understand the composition of your investment. This transparency helps you understand the fund's strategy and assess its risk profile more accurately. You can confirm if the ETF truly aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance before committing your capital. Finally, ETFs offer significant tax efficiency, which can be a substantial benefit, especially in taxable investment accounts. This structure provides advantages not typically found in traditional mutual funds. ETFs are structured differently than mutual funds, particularly concerning how they handle capital gains. This difference often leads to more favorable tax treatment for investors. They are generally designed to generate fewer taxable capital gains distributions to shareholders. This is largely due to their in-kind creation and redemption mechanism, which can avoid realizing capital gains when underlying assets are exchanged. This tax efficiency is especially advantageous for investors holding ETFs in taxable accounts, such as standard brokerage accounts. It allows more of your investment growth to compound before being subject to taxation. While ETFs offer many advantages, it's crucial to acknowledge that they are not without drawbacks. Like any investment, they come with certain risks and considerations you must understand. The most fundamental drawback is market risk. The value of an ETF can fluctuate significantly based on the performance of its underlying assets. If the stocks or bonds it holds decline in value, so will your ETF. Some ETFs can be quite complex, particularly those employing leverage strategies or investing in niche, illiquid markets. These types of ETFs may not be suitable for beginners and carry higher risks. Always understand what you're investing in. It's also important to recognize that not every ETF is suitable for all investors. Your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon should always guide your choices. What works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, a crucial step before investing in any ETF is to conduct thorough research. Understand the specific ETF's investment strategy, its holdings, its expense ratio, and its inherent risk factors. Don't invest in anything you don't fully comprehend. In summary, ETFs offer a convenient, affordable, and transparent way to diversify your investment portfolio. They have truly revolutionized how many people approach investing. They provide an accessible means to gain exposure to a wide range of assets and market segments with a single transaction. This simplifies diversification and makes it attainable for everyday investors. Their popularity spans across both novice and experienced investors alike, a testament to their versatility and utility. ETFs have cemented their place as a foundational component in many investment strategies. However, the essential action for every investor remains the same. Always conduct thorough research and understand the risks before making any investment decision. With ETFs, knowledge is power.